Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher, Nancy Pandey. So, students, today we are going to do the exercises of chapter number first, that is types of plants. So, students, in our previous video, we studied about types of plants, parts of a plants, and green plants make their own food. Before starting the exercises, let's have a quick overview on this chapter. So students, as you know that there are many types of plants around us. They are of different shapes and sizes. So students, in the explanation of this chapter, you learn that there are 5 types of plants: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. So students, big and tall plant with woody stem are called trees. Small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. And the small plants with soft stems are called herbs. The plant which is strong and big are called trees, and the plant which have weak stems are called climbers. They need support of other plants, walls or stick to grow upright. The last types of plants was creepers. Plants with weak stems that grow along the ground are called creepers. The second topic of this chapter was parts of a plant. So students, you know very well a plant has many different parts like flower, seed, leaf, fruit, stem, and root. So students, in this chapter you have also learned about the function of the parts of a plant. Flower is a part that produces fruits. Leaf is the flat green part that makes food for the plant. Seed is the part from which a baby plant grows. It is present in the fruit. The next parts of a plant is fruit. It is the part that has seeds. Stem is the part that carries water and food to all other parts of the plant. The last parts of a plant, that is root. It is the part that fixes the plant to the ground and also take in water and other things needed by the plant. So students, the last topic was green plants make their own food. As you know that green plants need light, air, and water for making food. Some plants store extra food in their body parts like roots, stems, leaves, fruits, and seeds. Now, let's come to the exercises of this chapter. Question number A. Fill in the blanks with correct words. First one is trees have a long main woody stem called the trunk. Second is climbers have blank stems that grow along the ground. So students, here two options are given, weak and strong. So you know very well, climbers have weak stems that grow along the ground. Next, the third one is the blank carries water to all parts of the plant. Here two options are given, that is stem and root. So in the topic parts of a plant, you studied the function of a stem. So the function of a stem is to carry water to all parts of the plant. So here our answer is stem. So you have to write stem in the given blank. Now let's come to the fourth one. A blank becomes a fruit. So students, you know very well, a flower becomes a fruit. Now let's come to the fifth one. Blank plants make their own food. So my dear students, in the last topic of this chapter was green plants make their own food. So here your answer will be green. So you have to write green in the given blank. Now let's come to the match the columns. Here two columns are given. You have to match the column with correct one. So first one is trees. So students, you know very well, strong and big plants are called trees. Now the next one is shrubs. Small with woody stems. So small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. So here you have to match the shrubs with small with woody stem. The next one is herbs. So what are herbs? Small with soft stems are called herbs. So here you have to match the herbs with small with soft stems. Now let's come to the fourth one, climbers. So weak stems are called climbers. So here you have to match the climbers with weak stems. Now let's come to the fifth one, creepers. So students, you know very well, creepers grow along the ground. So here you have to match the word creepers with grow along the ground. Now let's come to the question number C, that is give two examples for each of the following. So first one is trees. So you know very well the example of trees, that is mango, apple, banyan, neem, etc. So here you have to write mango, apple or any two trees name. Now let's come to the second one, that is shrubs. So the example of shrubs are rose and hibiscus. Now let's come to the third one, herbs. The example of herbs is mint and coriander. So here you have to write mint and coriander in the given blank. Now let's come to the fourth one, climbers. Money plant, grapevine. So the example of climbers are money plant and grapevine. The fifth one is creepers. So the example of creepers are watermelon and strawberry. So you have to write watermelon and strawberry in the given blank. So students, we are completed question number A, B and C. In our previous video, we have done the explanation of this chapter. So by the help of this chapter, we had done these 3 questions. Now the remaining part of this exercise we will done in our next video. I hope you understand this exercises very well. Now you have to write these question number A, B and C in your fair copy, and you have to learn this. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay at your home. Bye. Take care. Thank you, students.